Are you tired of carrying your heavy laundry up and down the stairs without any help? Are you worried about tripping or falling down the stairs? Then we have a solution for you.
We introduce to you Laundry Lift-Off!
Laundry Lift-Off is a special pulley contraption that attaches to the railing of your stairs in your house. It helps your laundry basket glide up and down the stairs without you actually having to carry it. We came up to this idea by using the engineering design process.
We started by asking some good questions and brainstorming and imagining ideas about how to solve the problem of getting laundry up and down the stairs in a safe and easy way. And then we thought best. We drafted the blueprints for our plan and put it into action by creating a prototype of it. We made improvements along the way until we were happy with our final product.
We took a bunch of different boxes and containers and attached strong string to the metal hooks to build the pulley system. The baskets can come in many different sizes so that it can hold different amounts of laundry. The version is a smaller prototype of the real thing.
We know that Laundry Lift-Off will help make doing laundry so much easier.
It would also keep you safe because it would stop you from having to carry heavy baskets up and down the stairs.